Okay, I got my 412 cut on the end. I know about where my bird's mouth cut's going to be out there. I chose the 4 and 12 because you can walk on it and it's still gonna be steep enough to shed water, but it's not so steep you can't walk on it. So that's why I'm glad I remarked that.
Measure twice, cut once. All right.
There's the outline of my bird's mouth cut. This line is parallel, this line, and this line is at 4 and 12. So this should be done with a circular saw, but this wood is so full of nails, and that new circular saw blade I bought last weekend was 20 bucks. I can't believe they used to be 7, now they're 20. Just outrageous. There's bird's mouth. That'll have to work. It's glad I'm not working on somebody's house just for chickens. It's a chicken house. Chickens don't pay very well. Okay, now all I got to do is cut a piece of plywood, screw it here, attach it well to the rafters, and then I'll have something to measure the pallet from here to the top. Do the same on the other end, snap a line, cut that, put a nailer in the top. Put a nail on the top of that pallet for just some added strength, and something to nail the pallet cleats to when we get ready to nail the material. A nailer, something to receive a nail on the top from the roofing. So yeah, I'll do that.
Go.
Okay, that's got our first template secured really well. I can go ahead and take these screws out so I can lower it. But that'll give me something to measure from here to the top to cut this pallet. From here to here, and the same on that end. So that'll give me a line to cut the top of that pallet, because the top of the pallet will be the roof line here. So I'll have the dimension to cut for that pallet, replicate that here and on the end, so I'll know where to cut these pallets for the gable end. That's about all we can do for now. It's getting late. I'm getting hot and tired. We're going to go eat some lunch.